Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on a particular important feature in AutoCAD which I called the GeoMap. So the AutoCAD GeoMap is an online map integration and it functions in a way that it provides real-time access to high-resolution aerial satellite imagery, USGS topo maps, and even local GIS-based maps directly within the AutoCAD drawing environment. So the key use is that you can quickly orient your survey data in your AutoCAD drawing, access to high-resolution satellite imagery. You can analyze and manipulate your data directly in AutoCAD. You can verify feature locations against recent imagery. You can actually add visual context to plots and exhibits, and even do your preliminary planning overlays. So you should note that before you can make use of this GeoMap feature in AutoCAD, your AutoCAD must be set up to the correct coordinate system. So this GeoMap is a very beautiful feature in AutoCAD. So in this video I will quickly show everyone how I've been using it with my AutoCAD drawing and how it is really helpful to me. So let's get started. So I have a drawing here in AutoCAD, a particular property survey for a client, and so it has one or two discrepancies that I was trying to adjust. So here it is. So I've actually adjusted it. I just want to show us how I did that in a GV. So first off, in your AutoCAD drawing, make sure your system is connected to an active internet, and you come to your sign in icon here to sign into your Autodesk account. You click on sign in to Autodesk account. So if you don't have an account with Autodesk, you can check the comment section of this video or the video description to see on how to set up your Autodesk user account easily, and it is free of charge. So I'm just going to impute my user account here, then I'll click on next. So I will impute my password as well. You click on sign in. So a particular code will be sent to you if you have done your two-step verification. So I'm just going to input it. It has been sent to my Google authentication on my Android device. So when you just do that, just wait for a minute and you can see it sign in completely. I have successfully signed in into my Autodesk account, just like that. So I don't advise you people to sign up when you have signed in. Just leave it the way it is so that you can keep using these beautiful features when you need it. Do we get that? So after that, you will come to your Civil 3D icon here, the drop down arrow. Then you scroll down to drawing utilities, then you navigate to drawing settings. You click on that. So my drawing is actually on the UTM-WGS84 reference system. So I'm just going to change the drawing unit to meters in my case, and I'm going to come to the datum projection, then search, go to the very last. Alright, I'll scroll to the UTM options. So you can see here UTM-WGS84 datum. I'll click on that because that is what my drawing was drawn on. In case yours is not drawn on that, you can search for your rightful reference system of interest, then you click on that. So under the coordinate system, so I have it under the UTM-WGS zone 32 north. So I'm just going to scroll to the 30 options. So here I have 31 south, 31 north, 32 north, 32 south. So I'm going with the WGS84 32 north. So you can see the central meridian 9 degrees, and it is actually what I want. Alright, so after you are done defining your reference system, you click on apply and OK. Alright, so that's the second step. Then the third step is to come to your command line, then you search for GeoMap. When you search for GeoMap, you are going to see the option coming up, GeoMap. You click on that. So it's going to give you an advantage to choose which of the map type are you interested in. Is it the area, is it the road, is it the hybrid? Alright, so I'm just quickly going to go with the road for now. Then you click on road. It to ask you, do you want to use online map data? You click on yes. So you wait for a while, make sure your system is connected to an active internet, then it is going to load up. Alright guys, it has loaded up. As you can see, this is my drawing here, and I'm going to turn off the grid lines so that it can be clearer, and yes, that's okay. So if I zoom in more, you are going to see my drawing. So this is the street that is leading to the property I surveyed on ground. So you can see it is very interactive. This is an OpenStreetMap that my property has been overlaid on, and all this drawing is actually to scale. It is actually to scale. So just like what I read out, you can actually orient your survey data, verify feature locations, even extract features from the area imagery itself. So this is an OpenStreetMap. So I want to change it to something of area. So you still come back to the command line and search for GeoMap. You click on that. So you can choose to go with first option, area. So this is going to load up a more interactive environment for you, so you can see all features that I captured or that are within my property, very clear and visible. So that's just it. So I can go ahead to make it an hybrid, that is the combination of the OpenStreetMap and the road networks. Alright, so it has labeled all streets and every other street that is within my property. So I can choose to increase my property width for it to be distinct among every other features. So I want it to be red. I will come to global width, make it 1. Alright. Okay, I can actually make it yellow for it to be very distinct. Okay, so that is how to incorporate area imagery using the geomap features in AutoCAD. So you can choose to adjust your data. Every other thing is movable and editable if you wish to. So guys, that is how I do make use of this feature called the geomap in AutoCAD. If you find this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification to keep getting valuable tutorial freely from this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.